Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Gemini with the air elements. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Isang subscribe, likes, and share lang po. So, bibigyan ko kayo na tinatawag na timeless reading para sa buong buwan ng April. So, let's see the energy surrounding you. Okay? Gemini. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Six. Okay? The Six of Swords. Yan ha. Okay? So the Six of Swords is more about, it's about your mind, okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi, pambihira. Meron, it's like tinatawag na your mind is, you have a more, it's like parang mas matalino ka, di ba? Halimbawa sa mga kapatid ninyo, maaring ikaw ang hingian ng payo, ng advice, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, naka-reverse ang tinatawag na the Empress. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na merong kasalatan. Okay? Maaring, kaya ito lumabas, di ba? Yan. May mga kasalatan. Kaya nakaka-experience kayo ng tinatawag na kasalatan, di ba? O maaring sabihin na nating you have to start all over again, di ba? Maaring nagkaroon dito ng failure, maaring sa love relationship, family, sa inyong career, sa inyong work, di ba? So maaring dito yung tinatawag na masyadong exhausted, di ba? Burn out ang inyong mind, di ba? Yung inyong pag-iisip masyadong exhausted. Yan ha, yan. So maybe you need to recharge dahil naka-reverse ang inyong tinatawag na the Temperance, di ba? Yan. So, narito naka-upright. Maganda ito ha, yung tinatawag na the Four of Pentacles, di ba? So, it's more about tinatawag na your participation, what you contribute. Maybe it has something to do about your action, di ba? So, there is someone here. I see someone here. It's like tinatawag very, very desperate ang tao na ito. Maybe this person is tinatawag na they have high regards of you, higher thoughts of you. Yan ha. Ito yung tinatawag na maybe they want to meet you in person, di ba? Yun lang ang nakikita ko. It's like tinatawag they want to express, di ba? Yan. I think this is a younger man or masyado fertile, di ba? Yan. Oo. Yun lang nakikita ko, okay? O maaring sabihin natin na because it's like they cannot get your attention, di ba? They cannot get your attention. Maari ito yung tinatawag, nagpapapansin, but they cannot get your attention. So, lumabas dito ang tinatawag na the Two of Swords, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na this mind's relationship is not okay, di ba? Very chaotic, problematic. Yan ha. So, maari din dito yung tinatawag, you are dealing with the thief, okay? Meron ditong nagnanakaw, okay? Maaring nagnanakaw ng ideas mo, maaring nagnanakaw ng pera mo, maaring tinatawag ninanakaw ang pag-ibig mo, ninanakaw ang iyong tinatawag asawa or boyfriend, di ba? Dahil naririto ang tinatawag na the Four, okay? Okay. Hindi the Four, the Six of Swords. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito yung ito yung tinatawag taong mapamaraan. Okay? Whatever is this. Yan ha. Matalino. Matalino ito ha. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na gusto lang niyang makuha. I don't know this person. It's like a man, di ba? Or a woman. Gusto lang niyang makuha kung ano meron ka. It's like tinatawag sasaidin niya, di ba? It's like for their pleasure, di ba? Yan ang nakikita ko. So, meron dito, it's like tinatawag a table for two. Yan ha, yan. Meron ditong, it's like they want to date you out, they want to invite you. Maybe sabihin na natin hopelessly romantic ang taon na ito. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag the Eight of Swords. Yan ha. So, the Eight of Swords has something to do about tinatawag na it's like their minds. Kaya gusto nila maybe they will give you a gift, di ba? Yan, oh. You will receive a gift from someone, di ba? Maaring sa trabaho, from your friends, 'di ba? Maaring sa birthday mo, yan ha. Kung ano ito, may nakikita lang ako dito, it's like you will receive gift, 'di ba? Yan. Are you dealing with the same energy like you, the Gemini and the Aquarius? It's like this person is also the same energy like you, ha? Okay. Pwede rin Libra, 'di ba? So let's say it's like nakikita dito, you are not, ito kasi tinatawag na the Taurus, you are not interested, 'di ba? Ibang itong taong ito yung tinatawag na napakatalino, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin itong taong ito ay very very attractive. It's like tinatawag na maraming na-attract sa kanya, 'di ba? Yan. So ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag na ito yung mga hopelessly. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, they want, it's like makita ka lang, mapalapit ka lang, 'di ba? Mamit ka lang in person. But it seems yung tinatawag, because they want to be near you, they want to be in a relationship with you. Okay? So yun lang po ang nakikita ko, ha. So nakikita ko the Gemini is like they have everything that they don't have. Okay? Yan. So meron ditong, it's like tinatawag na they want to invite you, okay, for let's say sabihin natin getting to know you, 'di ba? It's like kung ano man ito, very very hopelessly romantic ang taong ito, pero you will deny it, ha. Okay, nakikita dito you will deny it. Okay. So, let's see, ha. Meron ditong tinatawag the Queen of Swords. Yan, ha. So, ibig sabihin ng the Queen of Swords na ito is yung tinatawag mapangalaga. Di ba? Okay? Mapangalaga siya sa isang relationship. So, maaring kayo ito, ha. Mapangalaga siya sa relationship. So, ibig sabihin nito, itong taong ito, yung tinatawag na the sources. Sa kanya nagmumula, di ba? The sources of happiness. Yan, ha, kasi marami ito. Kaya yan, the sources of happiness. It's like sabihin na natin, kaya nagbago ang buhay nila, 'di ba? Kaya sila nakakakain, kaya sila tinatawag na maganda ang 'di ba, ang kanilang buhay, 'di ba? Kanilang mga tinatamasa. Yan, ha. So maaring ito rin ang tinatawag na the Gemini. Ibig sabihin, the Gemini is tinatawag na napakaganda ng kanyang aura, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na itong Gemini na ito isa iba ang pag-iisip niya, 'di ba? Yan. So kumbaga dito tinatawag ito yung mga tao na kumbaga pinagmamasdan. It's like lagi nilang pinapanood, 'di ba? Maybe you're a public servant, you're a public sabihin natin nasa social media, may mga tinatawag platform kayo, 'di ba? Yan. So yun ang nakikita ko, ha. Maraming attracted sa inyo, okay? Marami din naman yung tinatawag lost souls, 'di ba? It's like they want to copy you, okay? They want to be like you, but they cannot. It's like tinatawag hindi kanila ma-duplicate, 'di ba? Hindi kanila ma-duplicate because you are tinatawag ikaw ito. It's like you are original. Hindi ka walang halong it's like pagka humarap ka, hindi ka peke, 'di ba? Very very authentic. So the world, this is the tinatawag na the message and the advice from the universe, 'di ba? Whatever is this, it's like tinatawag dito magkakaroon ng tinatawag na agreement, shake hands, halimbawa sabihin natin written contracts, di ba? Yan. So napakaganda nito. It's like tinatawag meron dito mga doors opening na magbubukas. So for some of you here, it's like tinatawag nakakapagod, di ba? Yan. It's like maybe you are dealing with all kind of people all over the world and it's very very exhausting. Yan, ha. So nakikita dito yung tinatawag na people, ha, how they see you, ina-analyze nila. Okay? It's like tinatawag you're a perfect candidate. Whatever is this, ito yung magbubukas sa inyo. Okay? Ito ang magdadala sa inyo sa tinatawag na tagumpay, di ba? It's like tinatawag na kung ikaw isa pang Pilipinas lang this time, pang Europa ka o pang Amerika na ang beauty mo, ang talino mo, 'di ba? Yan. So ibig sabihin nito magkakaroon dito ng tinatawag na success, fruition, good result, abundance. Yan, ha. So kaya nga ito narito. Yan, ha.